guys, oh, that was a fly. Cut. Hey guys, Oli here from Olies Woodshop. So I promised everybody a shop tour, and that's just what I'm gonna do today. I'm currently standing right outside our shop, and I wanna give you a full rundown on all of our machines and what we have in the shop and what we find useful. And I know we need to organize, and maybe you guys have some really good ideas on how you guys organize your shops, or just organize your stuff in general. So leave a comment, because you'll see. So let me bring you inside. So as I mentioned in my previous video, the shop is roughly 3,600 square feet. We are about 5 minutes from the art district in downtown LA. So this is the entryway of the shop. As you can tell, we are definitely outgrowing 3,600 square feet really fast. So we get probably 2 or 3 skids of OSB delivered by a Home Depot every couple months, I think. And we make custom crates with it. So we keep all of our sheets of material down over here, and we keep our foam that we align all of our custom crates with. And they all have foam inside to protect the furniture, to protect the items that are inside. And we custom make these to whatever dimensions the furniture is. And then, so yeah, over here we have our MDF sheets, we have our veneers, we have our melamines all over here aligning the wall. And we usually keep our steel sheets down over there by the plasma, but it was so heavy today. So the guys, this is as far as they got. So we have all of our crates right here that are gonna be shipped out soon with the freight company. And then we also get skids of melamine, because we go through that a lot, and MDF. We go through MDF and melamine a lot. So we get skids of those, and those go right here. We also have a rack that we keep all of our parts that are gonna be powder coated and all of the other parts that are gonna be used fairly quickly. So we keep those over there along with some other junk on top. Need to get organized. So we keep all that kind of up top there with some cardboard that we use for packing. And that is the entryway. A little jam-packed right now. So let me take you back into the shop. Now to the corner of the shop, which is our powder coating area. And I know, we're getting a spray booth probably in the next couple weeks, because the powder goes everywhere. So we use the Nordson powder coating system for the gun, and it's very professional, amazing. This is actually MDF, black textured finish from Cardinal. That's where we get our powder, and it's amazing. This looks like, people can't even believe that we powder coat MDF, and it comes out amazing. Fernando is our powder coat employee, and he does all of it, and he is very detailed oriented and amazing worker. This is our oven, just a regular oven, has 6 heating elements inside. It is 9 feet, 7 feet tall, 5 feet wide, and you just turn on the breaker, turn this thing on, and it goes. It has a little fan up there to throw the heat in a circle, pretty much. And this is our area. This is the powder coating area. I can't wait for the spray booth to come in. So I want to show you Fernando powder coating some MDF with a white glossy finish. Check it out. Moving on to the newest addition to the shop, which is the CNC Plasma. And this is actually our friend's machine. So he doesn't have a shop, so we are letting him store it here, and in return, we get to use the machine. So I'm not super familiar with it, but I'll tell you what I know about it. It's a Shop Saber. This is the Master Series, and it's a 4x8 machine. It's fully loaded. Obviously comes with the plasma cutter, a drill head, and an engraver, which we have yet to use. It even has a sweet little light on here, which when it cuts, it turns red, and when it's not cutting, it's green. It has a full water bed to cool down the parts after we're cutting them. And it's a 24-inch deep water bed, lots and lots of gallons. And the sweetest thing about owning and having another Shop Saber in the shop is that their customer service is on point. They are so willing to answer and walk you through step by step of any questions that you have regarding your project or your cutting or speeds and feeds. They're just amazing with their customer service. So thank you guys. Thanks, Shop Saber. And now I want to show you guys a little sequence of the cutting of the plasma. So check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed that cinematic clip of the plasma cutting. I want to show you the middle of the shop, which is our bandsaw, our belt sander, then we have the joiner, the planer, dust collection, some trash cans, and the table saw down there. And now I want to show you my favorite machine, the famous CNC router by Shop Saber, the Pro 408. This is the beast in the shop. We run this all day long. It has a 10 horsepower spindle, 10 automatic position tool changer, and this is where it all started for Olies Woodshop. I think the most shocking thing about getting this was the vacuum, how much it can suck down, like a full sheet of MDF. Just, you can't move it when it's got the vacuum on. It's awesome. Love this machine. So when we're done cutting and we have our parts here, we put them on our racks, which are right over here. So we just store everything right here. Then we have the Husky right here where we just store power drills, hammers, all the excess stuff. Then we have this rack over here, and we just bought this from Home Depot, and we just store other stuff. And we do need to get organized. And then just workbenches all down here. And that's the shop, you guys. Thank you guys for watching our shop tour here at Olies Woodshop. If you guys like us, subscribe. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, then. And if you guys have any questions, put it in the comment section. And until next time, you guys, bye.